Hi guys, so I'm redoing this because I just realized that the card that I was filming on did not have enough space. But hello, hi. So today's vlog is a very short vlog, very focused vlog, because I kind of just wanted to share with you guys Yom and I's date night quarantine edition. We're going to the movies, guys. We're going to the movies right over there on our couch, and it's gonna be great. I'm busy in the kitchen getting our movie night snacks ready. Yom's in the bathroom. I told him he needs to go shower and get ready for date night because we're going to the movies. And let me just show you guys what I've been working on. So I've got some pork, like some spare ribs in the oven. And hold on, I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what they look like. They've been cooking for like an hour and a half almost now, so they're gonna be really good and like juicy when they're done, and they're gonna be like falling off the bone delicious. I don't profess to be a professional chef, but there are a few things that I can do. Making some good ribs is one of those. I'm also busy making some corn dogs because I love corn dogs. And I've got some popcorn, just microwave popcorn, because no one, and I mean absolutely no one, has time to do real popcorn from scratch. And then of course I have some like sweet snacks. I also have pizza. I also have pizza, but it's like a frozen pizza that I can quickly pop in the oven. Some sweet stuff. And yeah, so I'm about to do these corn dogs. So I have in this bowl cornmeal. I have some flour, some salt, some pepper, some sugar, some baking powder. What else do I have in here? I think that's about it. I'm about to add like some milk and like half an egg. And then I'm gonna mix it up, and then that will be my batter. Ooh, you ready for date night?
What's the dress code? Am I supposed to wear shoes?
Oh, it's just casual. Just casual, you know.
You tell me, I was like, oh.
Just be casual, honey. I'm getting all the date night food ready. Okay?
I was like, oh.
So guys, so what you're gonna do is, and I have my oil heating, right? So you basically put your thing on, your skewer on, and you kind of just dip it in and swirl it around just so that it's nicely coated. And then voila. Babe, can you guess what I'm making now?
Hot dogs?
Corn dogs.
Corn dogs.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna pull that first one out only when my oil is heated.
Okay.
But I actually was thinking of doing corn dog bites instead of like a full hot dog, you know. But I don't know. What do you think?
So you want to cut these ones into like smaller?
Then a good way to test if your oil is hot enough, you can just take one of the skewers, right, and just like dip it in the batter, and then kind of just put it in the thing to see whether it's hot enough. And clearly it is. Got caught up in making food, and I forgot to vlog after way I left you guys. but I'm about ready to set everything up, so I'm gonna remember to keep you guys on for that. What I'm waiting for now is the pizza that's in the oven, and then once that is done I can quickly microwave the popcorn, because you obviously want it nice and warm. So yeah, it's about to be date night, maybe. Yeah. So we're almost ready for movie night. So this is what we have. So we have some cupcakes over here, we have some chocolate because my husband has a sweet tooth. Okay, we have some M&Ms, some Butterfingers or whatever, this shortbread, I think that's what it is. So here are our ribs. I'll probably have to reheat this later. Then we have our corn dogs, which I might have had my oil too hot. And then over there we have our soda cups. You know, we're gonna fill that up with a drink when it's time for the movie to come on. So yeah, so I'm just gonna add our pizza and the popcorn. So I'll be back when that is ready. So it's me again. Date night got a bit delayed because Yom got like a work call. And you know, that's the thing about working from home. It's like boundaries definitely get crossed. Like, you know how usually when it's work, you have your work time where you start and where you go home. But now when you're working from home, it's like people just call you whenever, and then even if it's after official work hours, so that's a bit disruptive. Just put it in for like 3 minutes.
It says 1.5 to 2 minutes.
Yeah. They say you have to open it?
No, you just said this.
Okay. I think it's fine like that. You don't have to open it, babe. So now we're only getting to date night now, like almost 2 hours later. Popcorn's finally going into the microwave, and yeah, this is our little movie night spread. Yeah, that's what it's looking like.
Candle somewhere there?
I don't want to light a candle by the TV. It's too close.
No,
No, it's okay. So this is our little spread: pizza, ribs, corn dogs, some sweets, some cupcakes. We have our drinks over there. So I put the popcorn boxes there because it looks nice, but I'm obviously gonna take them off the table. But yeah, guys, so that's our little date night spread. We're waiting for the popcorn, and then we're gonna have some food, and then we're gonna watch a movie. I should probably start putting that movie on now. I haven't used YouTube movies before, but the movie that I want to watch is on YouTube. So okay, so everything's finally ready, but Yom has to go back to work. So I might just be watching this movie by myself, or at least eating by myself, because I'm really hungry now. Yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can catch up with you guys later, let you guys know what happened.
A few moments later.
Hey you guys, movie night is over.
It was delayed.
It was delayed, quite delayed.
Quite delayed.
But it was good, right?
Yeah, it was good. Good.
Yeah. We watched Harriet,
Yeah.
which is, I think, was a good movie. I really was enjoying it. But yeah, we just packed up, because the thing about having movie night at home is you have to clean up afterwards. You don't just leave the cinema. So So we just finished. Yeah. Cinema has to convert back into the living room. So now we're cleaning up and getting ready for bed. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Let me know if you guys have any cool date ideas, at home date ideas below, or let me know what you guys might be doing with your significant other.